put that in FUM, right? Was that FUM? Yes, it was FUM. Okay. So inside here, I'm going to define a class test1, some package. Inside here, if I try to say @bean, it won't complete. It doesn't have visibility to that jar that I imported. So if I go back to Phi, I take a look at the libraries he's got. He's got my annotation jar. I go to order and export. It's not checked. If I want to make it visible, I can check it. And now, from test1 over here in FUM, that's not working either. What? Did I get that in there right? He's checked. Shouldn't have to. It should do it automatically. So I'm depending on Phi. There we go. Now he's in there. I think maybe I just had to save it or refresh it, but he's there now. So now I have visibility to him, and I can see anything that he exports, and only the things that he exports. Does that make some sense? So it gives me a nice way to deal with dependencies between things. So as far as adding the jars, you can import them anywhere you want into the jar, into the project. Easiest thing to do is right-click on this guy and say Build Path. Add to Build Path will be an option when he's not there already. Okay. If you put a jar in a project, just keep in mind that when you check this guy in, he's going to get checked in as part of your dependencies there. You may instead want to use something like Ivy or Maven to keep track of dependencies that you have and suck those dependencies down from the internet. Okay, so we have him. And talk a little bit about source control. How many people here use Subversion? Good number of people. Okay, so this will actually be, have you used Subversion inside Eclipse before? Okay, so I'm just going to touch on a few things there. I'm going to set up a local repository